special feeling at Oldsmobile. There is a special feeling at Oldsmobile. More than the luxury ride, it's a feeling of pride that you feel inside.
What's going on, everyone? Today I got another 1990 Oldsmobile Toronado. This one I picked up from Ohio, so there's quite a bit of rust on this thing. Not sure really what I want to do with it. Thinking about parting it out. It's a pretty good overall car, but there's no way to save this thing. This thing is rotted out completely underneath, around these wheel wells. On top of here, this completely just rotted out. No water's leaking in yet, at least. Hood's rotted out. That's typical on these cars. You know, the rust. It's along there. Doors and the fender surprisingly rust-free, as far as I can tell for right now. Got rust there. And this is the worst right here. Literally a hole there, and the entire bottom part there doesn't really want to focus, but the entire bottom part there's just rotted away. Here, if we open up the door here, surprisingly clean. Actually cleaner than my Toronado, to be honest. That's missing. All the speakers have been taken out. There's the old radio. The seats are all black in this, so I guess he had like a parts car or something. Different fuses. Glove box is nice, at least. Non-Vic car, really nice, but there's all the wiring. See down there, the wiring's been all hacked apart in this thing. And the control for the radio's gone inside there, so I don't know where the heck that went. I'll hop onto the other side. Passenger side seat in this is really, really nice. I'd take it for my own car, but people are already asking me if I can sell it to them, so looks like I'm not getting that. This car came with 2 key fobs. All of it works. So that's really cool and nice. Came with an extra set of panels here. They're all pretty rusted, but I mean, they're decent enough. You can sandblast them or just sand them down and paint them. Trunk lid's rotted out. It's a shame. This car got a couple running issues. I accidentally locked the doors when I was showing off the remote. There we go. It's got all this dust on here, which is from sandblasting. I don't know how hard that's able to take out, but yeah. So this car is a 1990, so no, the horn buttons don't work, of course. Center console's nice. There's for the brake pedal. You see why that's in there for a second. Go ahead and turn this thing on. It's got 159,000 miles on it. It takes a second for this thing to crank over. I'm not sure why. It's got good oil pressure. Battery's good in it. It's got no gas though. I'm probably gonna have to put gas into it, or else it's gonna conk out on me. I don't want to starve it. Brake pedal is stuck, or the brake signal stuck on. It says when you put into drive here that the parking brake's on. That's another thing. I have this thing in drive right now, and it won't go anywhere. Transmission's blown. Whew. And it shuts off really harshly too. So there's that. Oh, the wiring's been hacked up. I don't even know where to begin on that. Climate control is just sort of hanging out in there. And like I said, all the wiring is just down there for the main harness. I believe that's whatever one he's got missing from there, there's like a separate fuse for it or something. I don't know. It's all screwed up, unfortunately. Wheel's in pretty nice shape. It's dry rotted, but I mean it's in decent shape. You know, power steering works really well on this, but like I said, transmission's done for. Power locks don't work on this, but I'm going to be taking these for myself because I broke the inner piece on these, so I need these. I'm going to spray paint them black, or not spray paint, but you know, paint them black. It's got, oop, close that well enough. I should have brought my camera today, but I forgot. Got aftermarket wheels. They're called MKW, and then there's like a triangle. Don't know what they are. They look decent on this car. I'm not gonna lie. I actually like it. The alternative wheel from the stock doesn't look too bad, but yeah, there's that. I'd show you underneath the hood, but I need two people to help me raise up the hood because the one side, if you can see here, big old gap here, the hinge is broken on this side, and you can see how the hood's been pried up on because the hood hinge doesn't come all the way up. I had a problem like that on my 91, that red car I had. So don't know. It's good, but it's also bad. There's a lot of stuff that's irreplaceable that I can't fix. The quarters would cost thousands of dollars to fix, and the wiring underneath the dash is destroyed, and I would have no clue on how to put it back together. So, but yep, here's another car. Keep saying this will be my last, but it's never my last. I think I'm just gonna, after this, I think I'm just gonna, you know, try to look for a really clean 91 or 92, less than 100,000 miles or something, no rust, you know, southern car. And I'm looking for one that's like black on black, black exterior, black interior, you know, no Vic, sunroof, something like that. So that'd be nice. But yeah, enough rambling. So this is the 1990 Oldsmobile Toronado Trofeo that I picked up, and yeah, we'll see what this the future of this car beholds. If it'll either become just a parts car, or if I don't know. I don't know how I'd even fix this. So there's that. Oh, it's got one good fog light at least. There's a plus. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.